How to enter and exit recovery mode on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. So firstly is the modern method from iPhone 8 to iPhone 17, and this works for all iPhones with Face ID and the newer iPhone SE models. So plug your iPhone into a Mac or a Windows PC, and then you just have to make sure you have the Apple Devices app if you're on Windows, or of course if you're on Mac, you're going to have Finder. Then press and release the volume up and tap it quickly, and then press and release volume down. So you got to tap the volume up and then volume down really quickly, and then hold the side button. Press and keep holding the button on the right side, and your phone will show the slide to power off screen, then a black screen, and then the Apple logo. So do not let go. And keep holding until you see a screen showing a laptop and a cable or a lightning or USB cable pointing to a computer, and then now you can release. And now you can also do the wireless restore. So for the latest models, if your iPhone is stuck but you have another iPhone nearby, you might not even need a computer. If you see an animation of two iPhones moving closer together on your screen, simply place your current working iPhone next to the broken one. A prompt should then appear on the working phone to restore nearby iPhone, and then just follow the 6-digit code prompts to fix the software wirelessly. And if you're on anything older, hold the side button and volume down buttons at the same time until the recovery screen appears. That's for like an iPhone 7 and lower. And yeah, it's as simple as that.